hold it done.
Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. There'll be more videos on the way, and I'm not sure, maybe more looks like this. We'll see. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the video. I don't really know what look we're going for today. I had a certain look in my mind when I woke up this morning, but now I don't know. What I do know is we're going for a full glam look. These are the brushes that I used in my last video. Flawless concealer brush, and I'm just gonna dab that in. Dabbing the front of my brow to get a blended, seamless look. Outer corner and straight up into the crease. Normally I work my way in then out, I feel like sometimes. So when I was younger, I used to work my way from the bottom of the lid to the top of my brow. Now I work the other way around. I think we should just go in with this champagne color. I think we're gonna go in with this champagne color right here. Oh, that is pretty. What? And we're gonna go back in with our brush just to blend out the border of that. That is gorgeous. That is what I was looking for. Oh my god. We're gonna go on the inner corner with, I feel like, maybe a white or very, very, very light color. That's pretty. That is pretty. So I'm using skin contact from this palette. I'm using skin contact, and I'm just gonna go and tap on the inner corners of my eye in like a circular motion, kind of carving out the shape of my eye. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, this is just emerging. That is pretty as hell. What the f? That is so pretty. Now we're gonna go back in with that shimmer shade. I'm gonna use a pencil, well, not a pencil brush, a flat brush, just to do a shadow liner. So I'm not doing a full liner. I'm just dragging out the shadow until it meets the outer corner of my eye, and then, you know, it'll automatically just blend once I do motions like that, and it'll pull the whole look together. This is a perfect look for prom, or even for your birthday or something like that. I don't know, my birthday is coming up. It's giving Virgo realness right now. I might do this makeup look for my birthday. I don't know. We're going to use a makeup wipe and we're going to clean off the excess glitter, and we're going to move on to the rest of the face. Do I want to put foundation on my forehead? I don't know. We are going in with my favorite foundation, the NARS Radiant Foundation. Actually, let me wet my brush with my setting spray. This is the Revolution Super Fix spray. We're just going to dampen our brush. And now we're going to use my concealer brush and we're going to spray that as well. Actually, no. Well, yes, because I don't feel like cream contouring. Spray that. Going to go in and just make sure that everything is blended properly. So, not my makeup. We're gonna go in and use the translucent Laura Mercier powder. Y'all know that this is my favorite powder to use. And I'm dapping off the excess into the cap. We're gonna just dust off the excess, and then we're gonna set the rest of the face. To set the concealer, we're going to use, for the rest of the concealer on my face, we're gonna use the translucent medium deep. And I'm also going to use this on my brows, like so. Brush our brows up and fix anything. Sometimes when I use foundation, I don't know, I don't really like to put on that much, you know, steps in terms of like different products, but I will do it, okay? Sometimes, but not all the time. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora Microsmooth to just kind of blend everything together. Meaning my contour and my foundation and highlight. This is like to top off your makeup. Oh, my light is dying. Why? Yeah, I think I want to do my regular blush. We're gonna go in and just really clean up the contour on the nose with my powder brush and my translucent powder. Just coating the sides, both sides of the triangle part, and drawing a straight line on both parts, on both sides of my nose. I'm gonna let this sit for maybe about just 1 minute or so, and then we're gonna put lashes on, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the lips. Okay guys, so we finished the face. Well, kind of. I kind of just brightened the inner corners a little bit with some pink, and that, you know, I already did on the lash. I added my lashes. Not really sure how I feel because I haven't worn lashes in so long. Like, I don't know how I feel about them, but nonetheless, we're gonna go in and add some more of our orange blush because I did add some pink on top, kind of wanting to give that sunset effect. If I can just find where I just put my blush brush. Hello. Anywho, with that, blush blindness is real. It's really real because what? Let's just dust off the excess a little bit, but blush is one of the first things to fade when you have makeup on. Now we're going to go in and set the face. Almost forgot. I'm gonna use this too. Anyways, the brown lip liner that I'm gonna use, I didn't really want to use this one, but we're gonna use the Morphe Trendsetter. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of purple. Nude lipstick. Purple liner, brown liner. And we're gonna go in with the Revlon Super Lustrous Gloss. So you can keep the look like this and just pile on the pink as you like. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, if I'm wearing this dress day, then I'm gonna want just that on my lips. However, we know we got glitter on the eyes, so we're gonna dab off some of this just a little bit and make room for the star of the show, which is this glitter gloss right here. It's from Ulta. Look how pretty, y'all. Hold on, I gotta swatch her. I don't know. Like, what? That is too pretty. Mad the girls them. Mad them. Right through. Intergalactic. Oh my god. It may be too much for some people. I feel like for me personally, I would wear this you know, maybe to the club, but not with this shadow. Probably just like this nice super long wing and the bomb lip combo, just real cute. But yeah, guys, that is the completed look. This look was a little bit of trial and error and a little bit of test of my faith, because I woke up so determined today to create a look that I loved and hated the first one that I did, and now I really like this one. So I hope that you guys really like it too. Everything will be linked down below, including you know, the lip combos, everything that I use. Make sure that you guys will like, share, comment, and subscribe for more look and content like this. And I'm trying to maybe think of a series that I should do. I heard that I should do a story time series. What y'all think? Should I do it? Because I got a lot of stories to tell y'all. Like, I got so many stories to tell. It's just, do I want to tell them?
The rush. The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our thoughts.
Yeah, I added some highlighter on my nose, but that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Hopefully you guys loved and like this look. I actually really like this look today. So yeah, I'm about to go outside and show my face. Hello, good makeup days calls for outside. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Walk out, do they done work? They not even understand how they done talk.